If you want to start a review with punch, open your video on the Broan Glacier by walking viewers through the two things people actually care about: airflow and reliability. This 30-inch convertible undercabinet hood advertises up to 375 max blower CFM and a captor blower design that Broan says dramatically improves smoke and odor removal. And that's a great tech soundbite to show on camera before you demo it. Describe the controls: simple 3-speed push-button operation and integrated LED lighting, and the install flexibility, ducted or ductless, so renters and remodelers alike can immediately identify whether it fits their kitchen. On camera, show the stainless finish up close. Run a quick sear on a cast iron pan and then flip the blower through low med high so viewers can hear the difference and see how quickly the air clears. Many users in reviews praise the Glacier for being quieter and more effective than older, shallow range hoods. Don't oversell. Mention that some installers call for pro help when tying into external ductwork for best performance, and that the hood's capture efficiency depends on correct duct length and hood placement, which is something reviewers on retail sites often remind buyers about. Talk money. It's positioned as a mid-range undercabinet hood, more capable than tiny apartment recirculators yet far less than a built-in professional canopy. So price tends to sit in the affordable to moderate band for a 30-inch hood and fluctuates by retailer and seasonal deals. That's a chance to remind viewers to watch for sales. Finish with the practical parts people ask in comments: washable filters, decent LED-like coverage for the cooktop, and standard Broan parts support availability if something goes wrong. Mention common negatives candidly. A minority of buyers report that very heavy frying still overwhelms mid-speed settings, so match expectations. And if you're renovating, check your ducting plan before ordering. Close with a friendly CTA. Offer an installation tip: use a rigid duct where possible and keep runs short, and tell viewers where to grab one. We share by links in description box.